Greetings, fellow crafters. 'Tis I, your Hello Queen, and welcome back to my court. If you're new here, welcome. If you've been around here for a bit, welcome back. I'm always glad to see repeat visitors. Okay, so I am going to be doing a post review of this little tiny wish painting that I picked up that I've been calling Halloween Landscape. Stick around and we'll talk about it. Okay, so first up, I'm not in my normal space because, well, we'll put it this way. I went into the hospital and had them stab my brain to rule out COVID because I've been so sick for days. So I have been wearing a path in the various carpets between my bed and my computer chair, and I can't even make it in my craft room. It's so tired. So, but I did do this little painting. This is Halloween Landscape. I'm going to put on the screen somewhere a actual picture of what this is supposed to look like, because this really doesn't look anything like it because it's way too small. I'm going to peel up this. It says it's a 20 by 30. It lies. That's canvas size. I found out when I unboxed it, and I can show you again, that this is actually a 15 by 25, and that actually is a tiny bit generous. And everything I was afraid of in the unboxing, I actually just rewatched it recently, was correct. The symbols were atrocious. Absolutely atrocious. So I'm going to put on the screen all of the information. I ended up giving this a 4. Yeah, the symbols were completely atrocious. This symbol here for 823, I don't even know what that symbol is. I think it's supposed to be a 6, but it's black on 823. Hello. No, it was completely illegible. 336 was almost as bad, but I could kind of make out the top hook of what's supposed to be a 2. So what I ended up doing in those sections is I would drill all of the colors except for what was either 336 or 823. And then I would look and drill all of the ones that had the hook that I could see for the top of the 2. And this is with the light pad on. I could just make out the hook on the top of the 2 and drill all of those as 336. And then the ones that I could not make out at all, I drilled as 823. And for what it is, it looks okay, but oh my god, guys, this was disrespectful. Don't order from Wish. Just save your money. Save your money, order from somewhere else. I mean, this was not a good experience to drill on. It was a fast experience. I think I finished it in a day, maybe 2. I haven't been able to have any energy to do anything but sit in this chair and diamond paint, so we got a lot going. But yeah, this was very disappointing. But I'm gonna put it in a little frame and put it up in my gallery of weirdness that's on my wall, because all the Halloween decorations I've gotten out so far, I'm normally decorated to the nines by now, and all the Halloween decorations I've gotten so far are stuff that was new, because I have not had the energy to go into my storage and pull out all my old stuff. Well, enough of the pity party. Thank you so much for coming to visit me and see my little creation for what it is. Like this video if you enjoyed it, share it with your friends, subscribe if you haven't already. I'm always happy to accept new people to my court here, and keep it spooky, guys. Bye.